Let's go ahead and head up in City Gear and get these black cement Air Jordan 3s, man. Got those black and gold Dion's in here. What else they got? These foams too. I think they call like the Orwood or something like that. Clean. I just asked them, say they got the Forces, some Kobe Forces, but a couple Forces they got right here. These guys actually low-key tough too. I don't even know what these is. Like some Halloween joints or something. Still got these Midnight Navy ones, which I might end up snagging a pair of these. And I'm just really surprised that they still got these gold and white, or these gold and black metallic ones. Guys, your boy the Vintage bit the bullet, man. Your boy was able to secure a pair of the Air Jordan 3 black cements, but it seems like there were a lot of pairs still in stock. When I went up to my local mall, I'm talking about they were flooded with pairs, but I do see that pairs are starting to fly off the shelves. Now, we got a lot to talk about in today's video, but of course, man, it is another glorious, another great Jordan release Saturday. Let's chop it up down below in the comment section. Let's get into today's video, man. Yo, what's going on YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for tapping into today's video, man. It is always greatly appreciated when you guys pull up. And today, bro, this might be the sneaker of the year. Let's, based off all the comments, all the talk, all the buzz surrounding these Air Jordan 3 black cements, which we do have right here. Let me just grab them. Hold on, let me grab them real quick because I know y'all already want to see them. And if you guys did secure a pair, go ahead and let me know down below in the comment section. Super crazy day because a lot of stores did not have them up on their apps. They didn't do any raffles. There were a lot of first come, first serves. So I said, yo, y'all got a size 9.5. I wasn't even anticipating on grabbing these today. I was going for the Kobe's I seen earlier last week when I picked up the Air Jordan 4 Fears. And they had them Kobe Air Force One set. Maybe go back up there, spin the block, see if they got a couple pairs, and they were sold out completely. As you guys seen in the vlog, I said, yo, y'all got a size 9.5. And as y'all guys see, bruh, we had them things right here, man. But if you guys are new here to the channel, right now, we need everybody to do, man, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for your boy, and please leave a huge like on today's video. We're gonna, chop it up about the black cement 3s, compare them to the 2018 pair, and yeah, I hope y'all just, enjoy the rest of this video. But again, comment down below, let me know how your release day went for the Air Jordan 3 black cement. All right, man, so let's go ahead and pull out that size 9.5 from City Gear. And again, bro, if you do not have a pair, go up to your local mall. A lot of the spots did not do, the raffle system or anything like that. They're doing first come, first serve. But as you guys can see, we do have them things right here. Check out the fish colorway. Y'all see that size too, right? Y'all see the size. I got a size 9.5, and I said, bro, I don't know. Let me just get them, you know what I'm saying? Let me just grab them, who knows what might happen to this pair. But go ahead and check out the little Jordan card right here with the schematics, the breakdown of the Air Jordan 3. Go ahead and check that out and pull out the sneaker of the year to some people. Not my sneaker of the year by far, not my sneaker of the year. But as you guys can see, we do have the Air Jordan 3 black cements ×2. We got a quick little double up, bro. We got a quick double up. Let me go ahead and grab both of my pairs real quick. We gotta grab both of them just for content purposes only. And bam, here we have it, bro. Size 9 and a 9.5. But do I need 2 pair? I don't think I need 2 pair at all. Again, I was even on the fence and not even grabbing these, but I went up there for the Air Force Ones that end up getting a size 9.5. This size 9 is for, content. So if you guys will need a size 9, hit your boy up. This might be a little bit trade bait later down the line, but if you need a size 9, hit me up. I got you guys for retail. But the huge issue that everybody has seen surrounding these black cement 3s is the inconsistencies with the elephant print, bro. And just looking at my pair, I'm gonna give you guys a little close up. It does not look that good, bro. I said the quality and the factory flaws are very, very obvious. I'm talking about all around the elephant print on these. I know it's not too huge to, harp on, but again, bro, we paid $220. I paid $240 today for these guys, and they have some crazy issues in the quality. And just look at the elephant print, bro. What's going on, Nike? This is why I was not, even going to cop a pair of these black cements. I'm just being honest with you guys. Let me know if you got any pairs today that has some crazy quality issues. This one right here is really, really bad. I don't know what's going on with that, but if you guys got a crazy pair today, Let us know. Let's see if all those pairs seem like they came, consistent with the issues across all the Black Cement 3s today on the release day. But the quality that we all wanted, bro, the quality we all wanted, the shoe that I said it's kind of gonna ruin the Black Cement 3 release, and that is the I'm on my year. Y'all see that nice, soft, plush leather. Y'all see it, the quality is crazy. No crazy factory flaws, no issues in my opinion. And I'm telling you, bro, the quality is 10 times better than the Black Cement 3. That's why sometimes I talk about, I say, yo, when we get certain releases, it kind of, puts the one up on the next one. Like, what quality you want? You want the Alma Mater quality or the Black Cement 3 quality? Hands down, it is the Alma Mater. So why not give it to us on a retro, on something that we all have been anticipating on copying? This is more true to the OG form back in '88, and you guys see, bro, it ain't really cracked up to be what I was supposed to be, man. I'm just being honest, man. And again, for the 2018 pair, I definitely like these a little bit better in terms of the elephant print. You didn't get any crazy, quality control issues back in 2018. I feel like this is really, really good in terms of the quality. But of course, people did not like the build. You guys can see the build like night and day. This is definitely more true towards that pair drop back in the 80s. And this one in 2018, it kind of made like a bulky toe box for some reason. It's way higher than the 2024 pair. I don't know what they was doing with that. But in terms of the leather quality, in terms of the quality overall, in my opinion, do not shoot them. Don't be mad at me. I feel like the 2018 is better overall. I know people are going to harp on the shape for the 2024, but the whole grand scheme of things, overall, the 2018 definitely takes cake, man. And I'm not trying to make you guys not buy. I'm not trying to take your excitement away from grabbing the Black Cement 3s, because still, this is one of those colorways that, people really love. People say it's the best shoe to ever release. Of course, most definitely the best Air Jordan 3, but me, I definitely think it's the white cements. That's just my opinion, I said. But the black cements hold a lot of weight. So don't let my, me critiquing the sneaker, critiquing Jordan steer your way, because at the end of the day, man, you're gonna buy what you like, and it's still definitely a clean sneaker. It's the black cements, bro. You cannot go wrong with it. You definitely have to have these in the collection. So I'm pretty sure if you did not grab a 2018 pair, you went up to your local mall, you went up to Sneakers app, and you grabbed a pair of these black cements. But again, pairs were sitting where I was at. They had a bunch of pairs, he told me. And when I went to the mall, they had a lot of pairs sitting around, like at DTLR and stuff like that. So if you do not have a pair yet, wait up there on Champs or Foot Locker, whenever, let those unconfirmed pairs go, and then you should be good to go. And I did check on Sneakers app a little while ago, and they only had like the big sizes and small sizes. I'm going ahead and hit buy now. And literally, they only have a size 7 in men available, and it is currently 2:26 me recording this video. Had a little early day, went to the gym, went to the mall, see what's going on with these black cements. You guys can see, bro, it's like one of those mass-produced sneakers that's sitting, but then again, of course, people are going to double up and triple up, because who knows the next time we're going to see the Black Cement 3s release again. I think that's what's weighing on a lot of people, why people grab so many pairs. And of course, some OG sneakerheads don't care about the light elephant print. They don't care about the quality control issues. They just want the black cements. They're going to double and triple up, man. But I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys so much for tapping in. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and let me know down below in the comment section how your day went. How many pairs did you get? I know some people out there that caught 3-4 pairs. I was in the mall. I seen them do walk out with 4 bags. I'm saying, yo, how? Why? Why are you getting that many pairs? But it is what it is. Let me know how your release day went. You guys know I respond to every single comment, man. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Hit the notification bell for your boy. We got an early look coming up, most likely tomorrow or Monday. Usually I take Sundays off. I got an early look for y'all. Of course, got some more content. And I know you guys want to see a full review and on feed over the Air Jordan 11 Legend Blues. These things right here might be my sneaker of the year. We shall see. I love y'all. Appreciate y'all. And with all that's being said, man, I'm going to catch you guys in the comments and in the next video, man. Peace.